Welcome back, designers. Today we are jumping into one of the slickest new trends in your design, the Apple style liquid glass interface inspired by iOS 26. This glassy effect separates your content from the background and create that Apple like looks on your website. But if you are a WordPress user, especially someone who prefers no code solutions, there hasn't been a simple way to replicate this effect until now. And today we will use this effect to create a modern theme section. And talking about plugin, the Elementor free version is enough, and you'll just need the ElementsKit Pro add-on. That's it. Let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to ElementsKit, then modules, find the liquid glass module, toggle it on, and hit Save Changes. Doing this will activate the liquid glass feature across your site for both Elementor widgets and even the third-party ones. Let's start from scratch. Let's get started. We are inside the WordPress dashboard, and I have already designed the theme section and saved it as a template. So now I will just go ahead and insert the template here. If you would like to design the same theme flatter section from scratch, don't worry, we have got a full tutorial on that. You'll find the link down in the description. As our theme section is ready, now it's time to add the liquid glass effect. As you have guessed, it's super easy with ElementsKit. So head to the advanced tab of the theme carousel slider widget. Scroll down and open the liquid glass settings panel. Toggle the switch to enable it, and you will instantly get access to a range of stunning Apple style effects. Let's know them one by one to choose the best one for our design. Soft ripple. It creates smooth wave-like ripples with light reflections for a frosted, semi-transparent glow. Deep glass. It adds a heavy red glass depth that highlights and separates key UI elements. Crystal flow. It delivers crystal clear transparency with fluid motion for an elegant dynamic file. Heavy distortions. It produces bold, exaggerated blurs and ripples for a dramatic background effect. Liquid mist. It applies subtle diffusions and low opacity blur for a foggy glass appearance. Vertical wave. It generates vertical ripple distortions while keeping the glass transparent. Horizontal flow creates a seamless side-to-side glass motions with soft reflections. Balanced blur. It adds depth, hierarchy, and focus while keeping content clear and readable. Glass storm. It simulates a stormy, exciting surface with dynamic particles and distortions. Molten glass. It mimics a melting semi-liquid glass effect with smooth transparency. So you have many options to choose from. Just go with what suits your design best. For our design, we're going with Molten Glass. Now there is also a blur strength setting that can add more realism by enabling the depth, but in our case, the Molten Glass presets already looks great, so we'll leave that as it is. Instead, we'll refine the look further using custom shadow effects. There are several presets available, but for more control, we're choosing the custom options. Then open the shadow settings and set the blur value to 10. And we're done. You have just added a sleek, Apple-inspired liquid glass design to your WordPress websites. No coding, no complexity. As you can see, this effect creatively separates the foreground and background elements for a clean and premium atmosphere. And this is keeping the entire design fully responsive for all devices. This is how ElementsKit brings the liquid glass trend to life on your WordPress websites.